how to get Spotify Premium for free on iOS or Android. If you want to get the Spotify Premium for free, then what you need to do is you don't have that option on your application. So you need to go for the Google or your browser, or if you're using the iPhone, you need to go for the Safari and you can go for the search. And once you go for the search here, under the search, you need to type Spotify Premium for free. And once you've searched here, you will have listen without limits, try 1 month of premium individual for free. So tap on the first option and you need to simply scroll down, and here you will have all of these options, right? So you will have the individual option, the student, the duo, and the family. So I'll be choosing the individual. Tap on try free for 1 month. So once you tap on the free plan, here your plan will be generated and you can choose a method of payment. You can choose credit or debit card or your PayPal. And you need to enter your information, so don't worry, your charges won't be added. So you need to simply enter the card details, and once you enter the card details, tap on buy now. So here it says that your consent to get access to your Spotify subscription immediately, and that if you don't cancel before the trial ends on July 4, 2024. So if you take the free subscription, you need to cancel your subscription at the end of the month or before the end of the month. So if you don't cancel your subscription before the end of the month, then your charges will be applied on your Spotify. So that's how you can get the free subscription on your Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.